If you are looking for the best wall clock,
Here is a collection you have got to see. Let's get started.
Number 1. Most popular, DreamSky 10 inches wall clock. DreamSky is not the brand you turn to when you need the absolute best performance, but the company does still serve a necessary niche. Specifically, this is the best budget wall clock that we reviewed with the absolute lowest price on our list. It should be noted that DreamSky accomplishes this without ever using the popular online-only business model, which otherwise normally allows manufacturers to offer products at prices lower than their competitors. On the other hand, you definitely get what you pay for. Number 2. Hito Silent Wall Clock. The Hito modern, colorful, silent, non-ticking wall clock is all about style and function, with a clean design and a quartz sweep movement to ensure accuracy and silence. Hito makes our list once again with a more modern-looking counterpart to the Hito Silent non-ticking wall clock. Both are equally affordable and accurate timekeepers, but the Hito Modern doesn't have the thermometer or the hygrometer, resulting in a clean-looking clock face. The Hito Modern comes in a wide variety of colors, so you can give your walls a fun pop of color. Number 3. Oldtown Farmhouse Rustic Wall Clock. Oldtown Clock is a bit of a difficult company to pin down, though they seem ostensibly solid from the outside. The company is exceedingly new, having been founded less than a year ago, so there is not yet a reliable gauge of the company's reputation. But we do at least have the fact that the company specializes exclusively in wall clocks for the time being. In fact, the company only actually sells 2 different kinds of wall clocks, though they may come in different sizes and styles. Number 4. Amazon brand wood face clock. An Amazon brand, a wooden face in a natural finish lends a rustic touch to this modern metal-rimmed clock. Lines instead of numbers complement the minimalist design of this piece. Along with keeping you on time, it will add a contemporary touch to your wall. Beautiful addition to our living room, nice color and like the minimalist design. Second hand moves smooth and silent. Face cover does not reflect light at different angles. If non-reflective, 5 stars. Happy with purchase. Number 5. Seiko Wall Clock. When it comes to high-end timepieces, Seiko has been a name to trust for over a century, and in that time the company has done nothing but push the market forward with innovation after innovation. Starting in the late 1800s in Tokyo, Seiko has grown to be a top-tier manufacturer with a sterling reputation. In fact, many of the features found common today are things that Seiko designed decades ago. That said, this model is actually appealing to a sense of nostalgia with a classic octagonal pendulum wall clock.
For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.